The FT90 Floorslab thickness tester uses non-destructive electromagnetic testing technology to measure the thickness of concrete and other non-ferromagnetic materials. The instrument adopts a split structure, which is convenient for on-site testing. Its main functions include: the receiving probe and the tester host communicate via Bluetooth, which simplifies their use and reduces the risk of malfunctions due to frequent plugging and unplugging of signal lines. The receiving probe automatically interprets the direction and locks the center, which greatly improves the detection efficiency. The instrument is equipped with a capacitive touch screen for full touch operation, providing a more convenient human-machine interaction. The instrument strictly conforms to the specification requirements and can judge the stored data. The instrument is equipped with professional data analysis software, which transfers data between the instrument and the computer, analyzes the detection data, and generates detection reports. 1. Instrument composition. The instrument components include the tester host, receiving probe, transmitting probe, walkie-talkies, and extension rods. 2. Preparation before use. Connect the receiving probe to the extension rod. Then connect the transmitting probe to another extension rod. Press and hold the power button to turn on the probe. Turn on 2 walkie-talkies. Measurement personnel can communicate with the walkie-talkies when measuring on different floors. 3. Set sampling parameters before detection. Select sampling on the main screen to enter the component parameter setting interface. Component name setting. Note: component names can be repeated and cannot be empty. The component types include cast-in-place slab, precast slab, cast-in-place beam, precast beam, and others. Please choose the type according to your needs. The design thickness ranges from 20 mm to 900 mm. Set the maximum number of measurement points to limit the number of points on a component to be measured. If you want to modify the parameters during the sampling process, you can use the direction keys or tap parameters to enter the component parameter modification interface. 4. Formal detection. After setting the sampling parameters, click Test to enter the sampling interface. The interface mainly displays the signal value of the measuring point, the effective thickness, and the parameter information of the component. The default detection mode is automatic. You can switch to manual by touching the screen, or press the left and right arrow keys to switch between automatic and manual detection. When selecting measurement points, please avoid large volume metal objects such as reinforcing bars to ensure the accuracy of the measurement results. During the formal detection, the transmitting probe should be placed on the bottom of the floor to be measured, so that its surface and the floor are close. The receiving probe is attached to the surface of the floor under test, and the receiving probe is near the top of the transmitting probe. Move slowly according to the direction indicated by the host LCD screen, or the direction indicated by the indicator light on the receiving probe. During the entire measurement process, the instrument automatically guides the receiving probe to find the transmitting probe position, and locks the center. When the receiving probe is moved to the center of the transmitting probe, all 4 directional indicators on the receiving probe light up, and the center circle on the screen also lights up. At this point, the receiving probe is positioned at the center of the transmitting probe. We also need to move the receiving probe several times near the center to ensure accuracy. At the same time, the instrument automatically locks the minimum effective thickness, which is the true thickness of the floor. Press the Save key to save the current thickness value, and proceed to the measurement at the next measuring point. If the locked effective thickness error is large due to external environmental interference during the measurement process, you can press the OK key to cancel the current effective thickness, and then press the Save key. When all the measuring points of the measured component are measured, Press C key to exit the sampling. When the number of stored points reaches the set limit, data of the component is automatically saved, and measurement proceeds to the next component. 5. User correction. When there are changes in the measurement environment, or when the measurement results are affected by ferromagnetic materials, there may be errors. In such cases, you can make corrections to the measurement results of the instrument. In the sampling interface, select Correction. The instrument measurement value represents the value obtained by the instrument at the corresponding position. The manual measurement value represents the true value manually measured by you. You can press the Save key to store the instrument measurement value. Then enter a manual measurement value. The instrument will perform intelligent correction. You can enter up to 3 sets of different calibration parameters. If you don't need correction, press Reset or turn off and restart the instrument to restore the factory parameters. 6. Data viewing. Select Data Viewing from the main menu to enter the Data View interface. You can select to view the stored data by pressing arrow keys, including the number of measurement points for the component, component type, design value, average value, maximum value, minimum value, pass rate, test date. If you want to view the value of a specific measurement point of the component, press the OK key. 7. System parameter setting. The system parameter setting mainly includes ketone, backlight brightness, shutdown delay, initial value setting. When the instrument has deviation on the standard test block, it can be corrected by adjusting the initial value. Language setting. 8. Data deletion. You can select data deletion on the home screen to determine whether to delete all data. Note, if the data is accidentally deleted, the data can be recovered by the computer software that comes with the instrument. New data is stored after data is deleted. The previously deleted data cannot be restored. 9. Online system software. Connect the floor meter to the computer through the data line. Turn on the floor meter and open the online system software. Click Online, click Import Detection Data, select the components to be imported, and then click Import. The component data will be imported to the computer software. The software can complete the verification and storage of test data online. You can also select the components to be printed. Click Data Processing. Click Generate Report. We can print reports, data export, and so on.